Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to start the Mental Max Corner. I explain this Mental Max Corner. Open your book, page number 28. Tick right the correct answer. A segment, the number which is subtracted is called. Here 4 option is given and you choose the correct one. The number which is subtracted is called subtrahend. So, in front of that box, you put the right in that box. Number B, how you can solve this? First, you write this number. Below this number, you arrange this number. And below this number, you arrange this number. Then we add all together, and in this way you get your answer and you choose which one is the correct. The next C part, the sum of two number is this. If one of them is this, the other number is. How you can solve this? Here students given sum of two numbers. Sum of two number is given and one of the number is given. Find out the other number. So you subtract this from this. In this way you get your answer. The next D part, what should be added to this to get this? In this question, it means you find out the number that be added in this number, then you will get this number. So you subtract this from this, then you get your answer. Now see question number 2, fill in the blanks. Number A, the difference between the smallest 7-digit number and greatest 6-digit number is. You find out the difference. Difference means subtract, minus. First you write down the smallest 7-digit number. Below that you write down the greatest 6-digit number. And you know the greatest 6-digit number? 6 times 9. As you know, the smallest 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. Smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. So first you write down the smallest 7-digit number. Below you arrange the greatest 6-digit number and then you subtract it. Number B, here this number is given, then plus this number, that is equals to this plus. It means in addition, you know the property that changing the order does not affect the result. If we change the order and then we add, then the result will be the same. Here suppose this is A and this is B. Then we reverse that, it becomes B, and then here what should you write? That is A. This number you can write it here, and when we add these two and these two, then the result will be the same. So in this blank you can fill this number. Number C, here this number is given minus this 1000. Only you see this is here the 1000 place, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So below this number you arrange the 1000 in this way and then you subtract it. What you will see, that only the 1000 place will be changed, remaining other place digit will be the same. Number D, same as you see in B part, here the 3 numbers are given. That is, this is A, this is B and this is C. Now changing the order, that is, here you see the B and A are given. So what you should fill in this blank? That is C. Number E. First, in here the three numbers are given. You subtract this from this first, then what the answer comes, you add in that. It is clear how you can solve it. Here the two methods to solve this. You can first subtract it, then you add it in that number. Or in another way, first you add these two number and then you subtract it. Number F part, 7,386 plus 2,222 minus dash is equals to dash. In this question, how you can solve it? First you add these two number, then you subtract this from this. Means these two number, if you add, what the answer comes, that you write first and arrange below this number and you subtract it, then you got it this number. Is it clear, all of you, how you can solve Mental Max Corner? Now student, this is your homework, that all of you solve Mental Max Corner in your book.